Today I will be going over some of the features of Smithmont's web user interface. Smithmont is a payment service that allows us to use gold as a currency. When I sign in, I am taken to my dashboard. The dashboard shows my personal accounts. In this case, I only have one account called Main, and some info about each account. The account number, and the current balance in GTs. GT stands for gold thousandth. 1 GT is 1,000th of a troy ounce of gold. So 500 GTs is half an ounce. I can drill down on the account name to see transactions, as well as any recurring payments. If I look at the top menu, there is a button to go back to the dashboard. Also across the top menu, there are buttons to pay, request as in request payment, exchange as in exchange dollars for gold, reports, and more. More just has new account and new organization. Let's go ahead and create a new account. I'll call it savings. Let's say a friend of mine bought my lunch yesterday and I would like to pay him back. So I click on pay and choose which account I want to pay from. I have his account number already copied to my clipboard, so I will go ahead and paste it in. For the amount, I have two options. I can specify the amount in GTs, and the dollars are calculated for me, or if I just want to pay him $10 worth of gold, I type 10 over here, and the GTs are calculated for me. The spot price is the exchange rate between gold and dollars. The countdown beside it is how long the spot price is good for. If the countdown were to go down to 0, the spot price would refresh and the dollar amounts below would recalculate. If I look below the amount, I see the fee, and then the total. It should be clear who's paying the fee. I am paying the fee, my friend is not. He gets the full $10, but I have to pay $10.02. I can type a comment if I want, it's optional, but I'll go ahead and remind him why I'm paying him. At this point, I'm ready to pay, so I can press the pay button. If I wanted to make this a recurring payment, I would fill out the details here. For example, I could pay once a day, once a week, once a month, once a year. But in this case, it's just a one-time payment. Notice the confirmation shows the name of my friend, Shooter McGinnis, which lets me know I didn't typo the account number. Everything looks good, so I'll confirm. Smithmont is a real-time payment system, so my friend could now log in and see the gold in his account. If I drill down on my main account, I see that 2 transactions were created, one for the payment to Shooter and one for the fee to Smithmont. I want to move some gold into my savings account. To do that, I click Pay, and I choose From to be out of my main account. For 2, I can type or paste in the account number, or I can just click Show My Accounts and choose Savings. Notice there is no fee when moving gold between my personal accounts. Let's say I'm a small business owner. I sell lemonade at the local farmer's market. I can use Smithmont to collect payment from my customers. The only catch is that my customers also have to sign up with Smithmont. But it's free to sign up, and I'm even willing to give each customer a discount because Smithmont's fees are lower than credit card fees. First, let's create a business account that is separate from my personal accounts. I'll start by creating an organization to represent my business. Now let's create an account within the organization. I'll just call it Main. Here comes my first customer. They want to purchase 1 bottle of Mayberry lemonade for 1 GT. I need to request payment from them, so let's click Request. Let's choose which account I want the payer to pay into. One bottle of Mayberry lemonade cost 1 GT. Because my customer is right in front of me, I click Request via QR code. At this point, my customer would use their mobile phone to scan the QR code. My customer is taken to their Smithmont Pay page, and all the details are pre-filled, so all they have to do is click the Pay button and then confirm. The name they see on the confirmation dialog will match the name of my organization. When I hear the chime, the payment is complete, and I'm now ready for my next customer.